visible to them. The other thing is, and that might be interesting, is that you can cut it through different parts of your model, but not the whole model. It's what we call a selective clipping. So you might want to cut it through your gyms or through your, walls, but not the foundation, and want to show how that looks and the relationship. Then you can just have certain number of objects or layers to be cut, but not others. And we'll do that right now. So for example, for that model, let's say I am really not interested to section through my earth, which is like that base layer. As you can see, there's the earth and the sand. And those layers I might not want to cut through. I just want to cut it through the walls and the foundation to just show the relationship between the two. And you can set it at the time of creating the section. If you recall, we are given the option to select the objects we want to cut through, but you can also do it anytime in your modeling workflow, and by selecting the clipping a plane and go to property panels, and you see under object clipped, you see all. And instead of all, I can say include selected or exclude selected. I will set it to include certain number of layers because I know I have divided my objects, like different layers. So I'm going to say include selected, and I'm going to click on layers, and that brings the layers that I want to include in the sectioning. So I want to do the wall, and I want to do the foundation, but you need to kind of hold the shift so you are selecting both of them, and you go OK. And as you can see now, the clipping plane is no longer clipping through my earth and sand layers because I didn't select them. It only clicks through the wall and the foundation layer. And if I move it, you can see the effect here going only through these layers. And that is what selective clipping is well. But if I say, oh, I have a lot of objects in my wall, right? And I actually want to, and I actually only want it to cut the top part. I don't want that object to be cut. I want this and that and the two bases to be cut, but not that object. So what I can do is that, okay, I go back here and I say that I want to cut through also certain other objects. So I click on the objects and I say, okay, I want to cut through these objects and this and that, not this one, the extrusion. And these are the objects that I want to cut through, okay? But remember that in layers, I also selected the foundation. So I'm going to change that to make it only the wall instead of the foundation. So what happened here is that my clipping plane now clips through only one layer, which is the walls, as you can see here, okay? But also through additional 6 objects, which are those objects, okay? So you can have a combination. If you happen to have more objects in one layer, you haven't divided those, but you actually are not interested to cut it through that foundation, then you can also mix and match, if you will, the objects that you cut through. And this is really useful to, for example, you have reinforcement steel inside a beam, and you want to just cut it through the concrete of the beam and see what the the barring, the bars and the reinforcement look like in the middle. So almost like stripping the model, especially if you have objects inside objects. So this selective clipping is very, very powerful in that, it allows you to pick which objects specifically you want to cut through.